And welcome everybody. This is chapter 11, electric current and circuit, standard 6 science. Fill in the blanks. The thin coiled wire that gives light when heated up is known as the filament of an electric bulb. An electric device needs at least two terminals. An electric bulb glows when a current flows through it. The device that is used to break or make an electric circuit is called an electric switch. Fifth is the material which easily let electricity flow through them are called conductor. Sixth is electric current do not pass through a sheet of plastic. Next is true and false. First one, a dry cell stops working when the chemicals in it get used up. Electric current is taken to flow from the negative terminal of the electric cell to the positive terminal of the cell. This is false. We need to complete the relevant electric circuit to enable an electric device to work. True. Button cells are used in wristwatches. True. We can use a polyester thread in place of metal wires to complete an electric circuit. False. MCQ. The thin wire inside an electric bulb is known as filament. When an electric current starts flowing in an electric bulb, it starts emitting light because filaments gets heated up and then starts emitting light. The basic electric circuit needs to have a source of electric current, a few conducting wires, as well as an electric switch. The electric bulb in the circuit shown here would glow when both switch 1 and 2 are in their on positions. The relevant examples have been correctly tabulated only in the table. This one, the second option. Now short answer type. State the function of the metallic stripes used in torch. The metallic stripes used as a connecting wire for the flow of electric current. Now this is the dry cell and you have to label the different parts of this dry cell. The first one is metal cap, that is positive terminal. It is filled with ammonium chloride. Third is magnesium chloride, and in the middle it is carbon rod and it is covered with zinc case. So fifth is zinc case. Let me repeat. First is metal cap, that is positive terminal. Second is ammonium chloride. Third is magnesium chloride. Fourth is carbon rod, and fifth is zinc case. Now write the meaning of the term electric circuit. An electric circuit is a closed and complete path in which an electric current can flow. State the role of an electric switch in an electric circuit. The electric switch is an electric component that can break or make. Make means to complete an electric circuit as per our requirement. Tools like screwdrivers and pliers used by an electrician have handles made up of or covered with plastic, rubber or wood. Why? Tools like screwdrivers and pliers used by an electrician have handles made up of or covered with plastic, rubber or wood to prevent electric shock, as these are insulator. Why should we always dry our hands before touching an electric appliance? We should always dry our hands before touching an electric appliance or a switch to prevent electric shock, because ordinary water is a good conductor of electricity. Now answer following the question. Write in brief the working of an electric torch. When we slide press the switch of an electric torch, electricity starts flowing from the electric cell to the electric bulb. This flow of electric current heats up the filament of the bulb. The bulb therefore lights up. A student, while performing an experiment in the science laboratory, connected an electric bulb to an electric cell through an electric switch. He noticed that the bulb did not glow when the electric switch was set in its on position. Mention any two reasons for this observation. The two possible reasons for this observation are: cell may be exhausted or bulb may be fused. Connection may be faulty, that is the wire may be faulty. Separate out devices listed below into categories that usually work with either batteries or mains only. Now this is it. Either battery or mains, this is computer. Batteries only, calculator, mobile phone, radio, transistor. Though radio also works on electricity. Mains only, kettle, iron press, toaster, microwave oven, and washing machine. Now match the level to the correct parts of the circuit given below. So this is this provides electricity. This is electricity. Provides electricity. This is wire. A device for making or breaking a circuit. This is switch. This one is switch. And device which lights up. This is bulb. Now, will this circuit work? Justify your answer. Let's see. No, it will not work because this is at off position. No, this circuit will not work because it's not complete circuit. Switch is in its off position. Distinguish between the term conductor and insulator of electricity. Give 2 examples of each type. Conductors. Materials which allow electricity to pass through them easily are called conductors. Silver, copper. Materials, insulators are materials which do not allow electricity to pass through them are called insulators. Examples are rubber, wood, plastics, etc. Now, value-based question. The science teacher, on entering the class, observed that Ritika was looking quite upset. When she asked her the reason, Ritika told that she had forgotten her raincoat in the bus. The teacher consoled her and advised her to be careful and particular about her belongings. She also told her not to get too upset, stay positive in her thoughts. She told her that positive thoughts light up our life in much the same way as an electric current lights up the bulb through which it flows. Now identify the values conveyed by the teacher to Ritika. How does an electric bulb light up when electric current flows through it? And have a group discussion. Value conveyed by teacher are empathetic and helpful, kind and optimistic. An electric bulb lights up when electric current flows through it by heating of filament. So that's all. Thank you.